Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed introduction part or the basic concept about the polynomial, and based upon that basic concept now we have to start with practice set 3.1. Without wasting time we start with the first sum. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials. Justify. 5 algebraic expressions are given and we have to decide whether they are polynomials or not. Dear student, all of you know that for that purpose we have to see the index. If index is a whole number, then it is polynomial. If index is not a whole number, then it is not a polynomial. See the first one, y plus 1 upon y. Dear student, here index of this y is a 1, but index of this y is a minus 1. Very good. Therefore we directly write here this is not a polynomial, that means no, because index, or we say that power, index of variable of term 1 upon y is minus 1. Got it? See here, this is not a polynomial. No. Why? Because index of a variable of term 1 upon y is a minus 1, and it is minus 1, that means it is not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. Dear students, see here, 2 minus 5 into root x. See, we can write here like this as y plus y raised to minus 1. See here, we write here 2 minus 5 into x raised to 1 upon 2. Root 2 means x raised to 1 upon 2, and this 1 upon 2 is not a whole number, therefore we can write here no, because index of variable of term minus 5 root x is 1 upon 2. Now see here, x square plus 7x plus 9. Dear student, index is a 2, here index is a 1, all that are, therefore we directly write here s. That means index of each term is a whole number. See here, 2m square, 2m raised to minus 2. Dear student, be careful here. 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. Now index is minus 2, that means it is not a whole number, therefore we say that here it is no, because index, instead of index we can say power, index of variable is variable of term 2m minus 2 is minus 2, and here yes, it is a constant. We can write here 10m raised to 0. Got it? Now see, this is the first question. Now we have to start with the second question. What is the second question? See the question number second one. In this, write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomial. We have to write the coefficient of m cube. See, first m raised to 3, second minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus root 3 into m cube, third one is minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5m square plus 7m minus 1. Three polynomials are given and we have to write the coefficient of m cube. That means one term is given, that is m cube in each polynomial, and we have to write the coefficient of that m cube. Now here coefficient of m cube is a 1. Very simple. Here minus 3 upon 2m minus root 3 m cube. This m cube is a term. Now tell me the coefficient. Coefficient is minus root 3. We have to consider the sign also. Here it is plus, therefore we write as it is. Here it is minus 3, and dear student, minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5m square plus 7m plus 1. This is the m cube term, therefore the minus 2 upon 3. Very simple, very easy. Now see here, dear student, the third question is there. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. Three information are given and we have to write the polynomial. See here, first question number 3. From that we have to solve the first. Condition is given, monomial with degree 7. Second, binomial with degree 35. With degree 35. And the third one is there, trinomial with degree 8. Dear student, see here, three conditions are given. By using these three conditions we have to write three polynomials. First condition, that we have to write one polynomial. Which polynomial? Which is a monomial and which have the degree 7. That means monomial, that means that polynomial contain one term, and second, degree should be 7. We can write here any variable. Sorry, in question it is mentioned that we have to write the polynomial in x variable. That means we have to use x variable. We can write here 2x raised to 7. Isn't it? See, degree is 7 and only one term is there. This is monomial having degree 7. You can write anyone. We can write here 35 x raised to 7. Then we can write only x raised to 7. Like this, there are many answers. Open-ended question is there. This is binomial with degree 35. Binomial, that means it contains how many terms? 2 terms. And degree should be 35. Therefore we can write here 2x raised to 35 plus 7. We can write any. We can write x raised to 35 plus 10, like this. 2 terms and degree is 35. 2 terms, degree is 35. Now see here, trinomial with degree 8. Now you can tell me. See here, x raised to 8 plus 2x plus 3. See here, degree is 8 and 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, dear student, we solve question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Now we have to start with the question number 4, which is the important one. Let's start with the question number 4th one. See, write the degree of the given polynomial. Write the degree of the given polynomial. Some polynomials are given and we have to write the degree of that polynomial. Very simple, very easy. See here, root 5. Can anyone tell me this root 5? See here, root 5 means 5 raised to 1 upon 2. That means degree is 1 upon 2. No, dear student. See here, this is the index of coefficient. We have to see the index of the variable. Here constant variable, constant polynomial is there, and dear student, constant polynomial is a degree of the constant polynomial is a 0. Therefore the degree of this polynomial is 0. See here, it is like this, but it is root 5 into x raised to 0. Got it? And therefore we have to consider only the index of, not the coefficient. We have to see the index of the variable. See, x raised to 0 degree is 0. X square degree is 2. Root 2 into m raised to 10. What is the index of variable? 10. Therefore degree is 10. 2p minus root 7. Variable is a p. Maximum index is a 1. Therefore it is 1. Dear students, see here. 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. Here y raised to 1, y raised to 3, y raised to 5. Which one is a greater one? 5. Therefore degree is equal to 5. Now see, up to this, one variable is used. Now see dear student, three variables are there. Here x into y into z plus xy minus z, we have to find out the degree. For that purpose, what we have to do? First term, degree 1, 2, 3, it is 3. In the second term, it is 1, 1, and here it is 1. Now 3, 2, 1, which is the maximum one? 3. Therefore degree is 3. Same thing, n raised to 3, n raised to 7. Dear student, here two variables are used. Therefore 3 plus 7 it is 10, 5 plus 1 it is 6, and here it is 1 plus 1 2. Which one is a greater one? 10. Therefore degree is a 10. Dear student, very simple. Be careful while writing the degree of the variable more than one variable. Polynomial having degree, having variable one than more. See here, we have to start with the question number 5th one. Dear student, write down all this in your notebook. Now see the question number 5th one. All are very easy because basic concept I have clear already. Now see here. Classify the following polynomial as linear, quadratic and cubic. First, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Second one, 5p. Third one, it is root 2y minus 1 upon 2. Then fourth one is there, m cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2m minus root 7. Then it is fifth one, a square, and sixth one is 3r cube. Now see, we have to classify this polynomial as a linear, quadratic or cubic. I have already explained you in a previous lecture that types are based upon two concepts. First concept is number of terms and second is a degree. Now we have to consider whether it is linear, quadratic or cubic. That means we have to consider the degree. Degree is a 1, then it is linear. Now tell me, in this case, what is the degree? Degree is a 2, therefore it is a quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. See, second one, 5p raised to 1, that is linear. Dear student, see, root 2y minus 1 upon 2. Root 2y, y raised to 1, therefore it is linear polynomial. Then see, m cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2m minus root 7. See here, index is a, maximum index is a 3, that is degree is 3, therefore it is a cubic polynomial. And here it is quadratic and 3r cube. index, maximum index or the degree is 3, therefore it is cubic polynomial. Dear student, if you have any doubt, then please go through the video which is basic concept of this polynomial. Got it? There is a very easy things are there. I have already explained you, and if you have any doubt, then you can see the previous video. In that I have explained you everything very clearly. Now we have to start with the question number 6. Very basic things are there, and I have already explained you this in the previous video. Therefore, if you have any doubt, then you can see the previous video. Then see the question number 6. Write the following polynomial in a standard form. See, very simple, very easy. M cube plus 3 plus 5n. Then it is second one, minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. We have to write it in a standard form. Dear student, while writing in a standard form, what we have to do? We have to see the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. See here, degree of the polynomial is 3. That means how many terms should be there? 4 terms should be there. Therefore, only 3 terms are there. Therefore, 1 term is missing. We have to write the first term, which has the maximum index m cube. After that, the term of index 2 must be there. But the term of index 2 is not there. Therefore, we write 0 m square. After index 2, we have to see the term of index 1. It is 5m plus 3. Dear student, degree is 3. 3, 2, 1, 0. This is the standard form. Now, minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y raised to 3 minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. Very interesting. First of all, tell me the degree. Degree is 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Degree is 5 and the term must be 6. Already there are 6 terms. Just we have to arrange them according to the descending order of their power of the variable. Now we have to write first term 5 y raised to 5. After 5 we have to write the 4, therefore 2 y raised to 4. After that plus 3y cube. After cube we have to write square. After that we have to write minus 7y and minus 1 upon 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All terms 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and here it is 0. Now, very simple, very easy. We have to start with question number 7. What we have to write? See here. Write the following polynomial in a coefficient form. We have to write them in a coefficient form. First one is there. It is x cube minus 2. Second is 5y. Third one is 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. And the fourth one is there, and that is minus 2 upon 3. Dear student, see here. In a question number 6, we learn how to write it in a standard form. Now we have to write this polynomial in a coefficient form. And I have already explained you, while writing any polynomial in a coefficient form, first of all we have to write it in a standard form. Now tell me degree is a 3. That means it must contain 4 terms. 2 terms are missing. Therefore we write here x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2. Isn't it? This is the standard form. Now we have to write the coefficient form. While writing the coefficient form, we have to write only the coefficient of each term. This is coefficient 1, here it is 0, here it is 0, and here it is minus 2. Don't forget to write the minus sign if it is. See here 5y. Now degree is 1. That means it must contain how many terms? 2 terms. Therefore it is 5y plus 0 and coefficient form is 5 and 0. Any doubt? No. Very simple, very easy. Now see the third one. 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Now in this case, dear student, tell me the degree. Yes, very good. Degree is a 4. That means it must contain the 5 terms. There are 5 terms? No. Therefore we can write here 2m raised to 4. This is the first term. After index 4, there must be a term having index 3, but the term having index 3 is not there. Therefore we write here plus 0 m cube. After this 4 we write 3. After 3 we have to write 2, which is given minus 3m square, and this is 7. Now we have to write coefficient form. 2, 0, minus 3, and here it is 7. Very simple. Now 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3, degree is 0. That means it must contain, we can write here minus 2 upon 3 x raised to 0. Got it? Now we can write here minus 2 upon 3. This is the coefficient form. Very simple, very easy, and you can solve this very easily. Now we have to start with question number 81. Question number 8. Write the polynomial in index form. 1, 2, 3. Second one is 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. And the third one is minus 2, 2, minus 2, and 2. Dear student, see here, we have to complete the question number 81. This coefficient form is given and we have to write index form. Very easy. Write down. It is not mentioned which variable we have to use. We can take any variable. Now dear student, first coefficient is a 1. Then take any variable, we take m. After 1, how many terms are there? 2 terms are there, but we have to write 1m square. Plus these 2. After 2, 1 term is there, therefore it is m, and 3 as it is. Very simple method is there. This 5. After 5, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore x raised to 4. Why I write 4, you understand it? Yes. Now plus 0. After 0, how many terms are remaining? 3. Therefore x raised to 3. Plus this 0. After this 0, there are 2 terms, therefore x square. Plus 0x minus 1. Very simple, very easy. Now, see the third question. Here, how many terms are there? 4 terms are there. Coefficient of first term is minus 2 y. How many terms are remaining? 3. Y raised to 3 plus 2. 2 terms are there. Y raised to 2 minus 2y plus 2. This is the coefficient. Yes student, I complete the question up to 8. Now one activity based question 9th one is given and that we have to complete now. Dear student, let's see the 9th sum. Very interesting activity based question is there. Write the appropriate polynomial in the boxes. See, dear student, some polynomials are given and this polynomial we have to divide it into various types. All of you know that binomial, trinomial and monomial. These types are based upon the number of terms, and linear, cubic and quadratic, they are depending upon the degree of the polynomial. First of all, see linear polynomial. Out of this, which are the linear polynomial? See, or we can say that this x plus 7 index is a 1. Index is a 1. Therefore, this is linear polynomial. Therefore, we write here x plus 7. That means we have to write the linear polynomial in this box. In this box, we have to write the cubic polynomial, and in this box, we have to write the quadratic polynomial. Now, see here, this is linear polynomial. This x square is a degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic polynomial. Therefore, we write here x square. Got it? This x plus 7 contain 2 terms. Therefore, it is a binomial. Therefore, we can write this x plus 7 in here in this box also. Same thing for this. This x square carries 1 term. Therefore, 1 term is there. Therefore, it is monomial. Therefore, we can write here in the box of monomial we can write x square. Now, what is this? X cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Now see here, degree is a 3. Degree is 3, therefore it is a cubic polynomial. Therefore we can write this cubic polynomial here, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Now dear student, there are 4 terms. Therefore we did not have to write over here binomial, trinomial and monomial. Now see here, 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Degree is 2, therefore we can write it in a quadratic. Therefore we write here second polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 10. This polynomial carries how many terms? 3 terms. Therefore it is trinomial. Therefore we write it here 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Now dear student, 3x square plus 5x. 3x square it is a quadratic. Therefore we write here the third one 3x square plus 5x. Same polynomial carries 2 terms. Therefore it is binomial. Therefore we write here second 3x square plus 5x. And this x cube plus 9. Cube means cubic, therefore we can write x cube plus 9. 2 terms, therefore it is binomial, therefore we write here another, that is x cube plus 9. Very interesting. You can take out the screenshot and then you can write it in your notebook. Dear student, very interesting. Topic is very interesting. Go through this video again and again and write down all these sums in your notebook, and dear student, do hard work. Thank you.